What's up here guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make non-music videos on VideoStar. When you're ready, you are going to click this plus button on the top right of the screen and then click edit video. Scroll down to the video you want to edit. Once you've pressed it, you're going to do what you want to do or just make the video. Processing will be a little while, so if it says processing, wait, just wait. Sorry for that. Sorry for the little voice.
Hello guys.
Then preview the video. When you're done, you're going to see that you have a non-music video. It works for me, but it should work, but different ways can't work so bad.